Did you tell me what the last paper was, so I know we're,
Oh,
we're at a. And they'll get that.
I'll fix it.
Oh, trying to face in the back of my head. My morning face is not my good face. I was a second and third shifter for.
So this is
34
everything
years.
here?
That's everything.
Okay,
Yesterday afternoon, and it's email.
okay.
So this is not the prime part of my day. I'm,
Thank you. It should be the last. And who doesn't have Luann? Thank you. You're welcome.
thank you, Jackie. I just really cut off first.
It's always funny. I'll look up and I'll see myself like scratching my head. I was like, wait, I'm not. Oh, right.
Well, we'll get started then on information here. Which could end earlier, but we did. Okay, I call this meeting to order. Laura, you a roll call, please.
Jared,
Here,
Kynan, here, Loomis,
Here.
Cameron, here, Cook,
Here. Everybody here. Okay, we'll do pledge of allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Well, I called this meeting yesterday or the other day for Neil Peck, or I'm sorry, Darwin Heck. I know we had at our meeting there, didn't have the proper parcel number. I investigated it, got the right parcel number, and so in the meantime, Neil brought some up. I said, well, it's pretty much a formality, maybe we could just do his too, and then Robert Bernard brought something up. So it's sort of got out of hand, or not out of hand, but it blossomed, I guess you want to say. So with Darwin Hex, this is the right parcel number. It changed from 03 to 05 because of the split of the house. I assume Neil's is correct.
When do we want a motion to approve this?
What? You can do it anything.
well, we can do it on an action item.
Yeah. Well, okay, actually, I think.
Okay.
Okay. Everybody happy with Darwin and Neil Hex PA 116?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, the next thing is Robert Bernard got a hold of Jackie yesterday. And he wanted a waiver of attorney-client privilege for this information. We give it to the court system, related to the trade.
Do we have a court date for this?
Not that I know of. I've been in the dark with the whole thing, so I don't know.
I also I do not hear one specific one.
Because
The last communication I got from Heidi was, well, it was because my deposition got canceled and she was gonna make a motion to the judge. Some kind of motion, she didn't even mention what kind of motion it was, so that was the last communication I got with Heidi.
I did want to make sure you saw that on October 23rd, 2025, I reached out to the attorney Heidi Hudson regarding litigation related to TCA. And she expressed that releasing the Jarzell conflict letter does not adversely impact the pending TCA.
yeah, it actually helps things, I think.
Okay,
So that he was very thorough with getting hold of everybody.
If I remember correctly, they moved it a few days, the circuit court to later in the day because it took so long for us to get the mailing. So I believe it's at the end of this month, so I think it is imperative that we do vote on this today.
Okay.
Is there? What is the particular letter that we are releasing? Does it work?
That it's from 2019. So if we look at the top, I don't think he's printed off in color. He had highlighted it in the email.
Would it be this one?
Thank you. That would be one of them. I feel like there was one for August of 2019 and then there was something else from
well, that'd be August 12th.
of 2019.
Okay.
So,
The other one's September
Yep.
23rd.
Yep, 2019,
Okay.
someone right after that.
So this gives them the necessary materials for the circuit court
Yep.
case.
So, and this is on the ZBA decision, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
Well, I think that was a conflict of interest.
well, that's what someone was trying to say. but
Oh,
it's-
no,
that's,
but what I'm saying is that's what the material was released for.
because they're proving that there is no conflict of interest. He didn't say anything personally. He was simply saying he wanted the ordinance to be upheld.
And Mr. Bernard and the lawyer both want this release.
Yes. And our attorney has said it would be fine to reduce that part.
and it's not everything, it's just the things that are,
Isn't this,
requested.
Yes, just the,
isn't this really public record? I mean,
No,
No,
Not
okay.
it is attorney privilege.
Okay.
And I did talk to, Mr. Straw, the attorney that's representing the ZBA, and so I talked to him, called with him yesterday, and he said he recommends filing, and he talked to our attorney, Mr. Crone, and Mr. Crone had no objections.
Okay, yeah, I don't have no problem with it. I just thought there was. I know it's part of public record. Yeah, but I'm talking about the letters, it's Robert Bernard, because we did send the letters in, those could have been public record, but. He can have, I don't have a problem giving them everything.
I think what they're asking for is the answer from the lawyer of whether it was a
Yeah.
public,
From
yeah, between the lawyer and
his opinion,
the township, correct?
yeah, I agree.
doesn't the court let the office know when there's dates and things?
Good luck.
I mean.
This has
because
been a fiasco since the day it started. We don't get no information. We call, nobody returns our calls.
Need the document that we called just so we cover ourselves,
Yeah,
because
because
we are trying to be as diligent as possible.
I don't know. It's very discouraging. You would think they would let you know some information, but they don't. So anyways, any other questions on that attorney-client privilege? Okay. Action items. Okay, action item number 1, PA 116 Darwin Heck, parcel number 017-031-000-280005.
And make a motion that we accept the application for the PA 116 for Darwin Hecht for parcel number 017-031-000-2800-05.
You've heard the motion and been supported. Is there any further discussion? If not, all those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Those opposed, motion passed. I don't think we need a roll call for these, but
No.
not to my knowledge anyways. Okay, number 2, PA 116, Neil Heck, parcel number 017-016-162-250000, and also 017-016-000-140001.
Okay, I make a motion to accept the application from Neil Pett. Parcel numbers 017-016-162-2500-00, and also parcel number 017-016-000-1400-01.
Second.
You've heard the motion and been supported. Is there any discussion? If not, all those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Those opposed, motion passed. Number 3, consideration of waiving attorney-client privilege regarding specific communications related to the Tri-County Aggregate Circuit Court appeals.
Quick question. How do you know? How do we know what we're releasing?
I think it's, is it all this
It's the
information?
ones that are.
Is it the whole document?
I think it's a whole package.
What's in
But I
the
think,
packet?
but I think specifically, it's the attorney's advice as far as if it's a conflict of interest or not. But, yeah, the whole package, Harold, to be honest with you.
Well, and it shows that Mr. Bernard reached out to the lawyer before the ZBA meeting for information.
It says the records being requested to be released are attached to this email in numbered order, and I thank you for your consideration, so that would mean all of it. That's what I would take.
Yeah, I think, well, we'll give it all.
I'll make the motion that we release the whole packet. From the attorney-client privilege regarding specific communications related to the Tri-County Aggregate Circuit Court of Appeals.
Awesome. You've heard the motion, been supported. Is there any discussion? If not, all those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Those opposed, motion passed. I'll make a motion, we adjourn. Then a motion to adjourn, been supported. Is there any discussion? If not, all those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, motion passed.
Okay, thank you. I'll let you sign it. We're gonna back in.
Good. Thank you for everybody coming the last minute.
Who's in charge?
Just wanted to get it cleared up.
Well, I have a copy, so that is yours to do with as you see fit. Got enough papers.